Okay, now let us start the class. So in the previous sessions, I have started the dictionary collection data structures in Python. So I have completed four types of collection data types in Python. One is that list, tuple, set, dictionary. So successfully I have completed list, tuple, set. I started dictionary. So little bit of top portion I have completed from here. This is all set. Okay. Dictionary from where from here dictionary. Okay. Two videos I have covered and I have kept in our channel. So the two videos you please watch them. And I am very sorry to say that classes on last Friday, Saturday, today is 23. So last Friday means 16, 17, 18. I have not conducted classes uh, all of these 3 days, 16, 17, 18, because that day I was engaged with my mother, Sitama Lakshmi, who is the founder of this Lakshmi Narayan Krishna Foundation. So as I started and I promised that all the classes will be conducted thrice of a week, free classes over Python programming, Python. So as I told you that classes on that day classes have not been conducted due to I was busy with Amma, who is the founder of our Lakshmi Narayan Krishna Foundation. Mm, So at that day, I was along with tribal areas. I have interacted with so many students. Okay, and I have briefed them to be very active. Okay, not to addict to any intoxication. Okay, and they need to do practice to get the jobs. As I promised that I am keeping focus over how to get job for 10th, 12th. Okay, I am giving the career guidance for 10th, 0 to hero, from 10th to uh, hero means upper profiles, means engineering and UPSC, like whatever you. Okay, so you can watch career opportunity playlist in our channel. So let us start. So in the previous class, type function used to know which type of data it is, which type of data it is. Okay. So now uh, dictionary items can be any type. So let us understand this. Means uh, suppose a dictionary created, as I told you that what is the dictionary I have created here. This is the student dictionary. Always, as I told you that dictionary. So as I told you that dictionary will be declared inside of flower braces. Dictionary has a key with a value. Both will be called as a pair. One pair is key and a value. So this is another key value pair, like that. So key value pairs will be declared inside of the flower brace. So now student variable is a dictionary. So here, see, this is what, this is the string. This is what, this is also string. Why? Because string, I told you that string will be represented in double quotation marks either or in single quotation marks. So string to string, okay? String to integer, string to float. So this is meaning, this is called items can be any type. Items can be any type. What do you mean by items can be any type in dictionary? Means once a student dictionary is created, so the values can be any type. So now create one more dictionary. That is what your any suppose fruit. Fruit is a variable and which is holding the key values. They need to be, so now the fruit, this fruit variable holds the key value pairs, means now fruit becomes a dictionary. Okay. Now here key value pairs, first key, try to keep all the fruits. Okay. So every string, suppose fruits are what? Papaya. Okay. Papaya is a fruit, but it is a text. Text means a string. So it is to be kept either in double quotation or single quotation marks. Now it becomes a key. Then after value, both key and value will be separated with the column. Papaya color is what? Suppose yellow. Yellow is also a string. Okay, here. Now what happened? String to this is called key. This is a value. So now string to string. So it can be items. Now this is an item. Okay. Now next any data type. So now here integer to integer. Okay, you write 4, 5, 7 column 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now this is one pair. Here pair is what? 4, 5, 7 is a key and 7, 8, 9 is a value. Now it is a pair, integer pair. So we can also provide integer to key value, string to integer. So string can be any type. String can be represented double quotation, here single quotation marks. Vasu is a string. It is a, now it becomes a key. Now value Vasu has weight of 65.8. So now this is what? One float value assigned to as a value to this key Vasu. Now this is any data type. This pair, it is a string to float. Now one more true. True is a boolean that can be false. Now see what happened here. So the items can be any type. Here boolean value to boolean value. So if you want to know this, if you want to get print of all these fruit, now you need to call the print function and call the fruit variable. Okay. We need to use print function to get to see the print on the screen. So now if you run this code, what happened? Let us see. So this is the code executed here. We are able to see this is the dictionary displayed with all the values. Dictionary displayed with all the values. How many values? One, this is one pair, one value. This is one pair, two value. All the key value pair is separated with the column, comma. So one value, key value pair, second, this is third, and last is the fourth. How many values are the four? So this means so now this point is over. Dictionary items. Items means this is one item, one key and one value. This is a pair called an item. So any data type, as I have briefed, okay. Next point is what we need to discuss that. Let us discuss the Dict constructor. Dict constructor. The constructor of dictionary. So, as I told you, the constructor is a method. Constructor is a method used to define a dictionary. Okay, so constructor, it is a method used to define a dictionary. So let us see constructor method, how it will be used to create the dictionary. Okay, constructor method. So within this constructor method, how we need to use this. So suppose take a variable, any variable. So same this, we will write this. We have created this fruit dictionary. Okay, with the constructor method, same how. So here we need to take fruit again is equal. Next, we need to use dict keyword. Okay, dict is a method. Method means always method or function having the parenthesis. Here print function I have used function, any method, they must suffixed with the suffixed means end of the name of the end of this, the name of the method. So they will be suffixed with the parenthesis. Okay. So here dict, within this here I need to write like this. Suppose name is equal to John. So name is equal to John. It is a string. Okay. John. Okay. Now one pair is created. So name is equal to John is equal to 16. So now what happened here? This is a variable. So if we write fruit, not fruit, because this data concerning with a person. Okay. So you write like this person. Okay. Okay. Now person, why it is giving error? You have given the indentation. Indentation means margin you have given here. So remove this margin. Okay, now by dict method means it's having the parenthesis. So it is a method, within this you pass the values. So now name is equal to John. It is a name is equal to key. It is a value. So it becomes a pair. Age is a key and value is equal to 16. It becomes a pair. By the constructor method, we can define dictionary. So let us see whether it will be successfully done. So now use the print function here, call the person, okay, variable. So now run this list 3. So what happened here? See, by dict method, so your dictionary is created. Here name, it is a text, but I have not kept the text in the any quotation marks, either single or double, I have not kept. But here, that is we know that it is a text, means string. So automatically the pairs will be, I have not put any colon here. But in previous declaration, defining of the dictionary, I have followed the proper way. Okay, this is the proper way to create a dictionary. Okay, but here dictionary constructor is a method used to define a dictionary. This is the way to use the dict constructor method. Now this is dict is a constructor method. You comment here constructor method. This is a constructor method to create the dictionary. Understood that? That is the way. So if you add one more, then comma. So this name John has A's and his ID is equal to 118. So whenever you run this code again, so you will, that ID will be added. This is the ID is a key and this is the value. Okay, so now that this dictionary has three items. So constructor, we can use the constructor to create to define a dictionary.